So this unboxing is 100% inspired by Trisha Paytas's kitchen floor. This is not an original setting, so shout out to Trisha. What is up, guys, and welcome to this video. So today I am doing another FabFitFun unboxing because I'm actually a FabFitFun partner. Just came out with their spring box, which I'm super excited to dive into because it's like the cutest looking thing ever. It's been sitting in my room. It's been brightening up my space because we are far from spring here in Toronto, sadly. So if you guys are interested in getting your own box, then you can use my discount code DUNK, which is going to save you $10 on your first box. Each box retails for $49.99 but is valued at over $200. So with my code, you can get it all for even cheaper for only $39.99. So all those good details, sign up link, and everything like that are going to be down below. So FabFitFun actually lets you customize your boxes too, so you have different options to choose between different products just in case you already have something or you're not a big fan of something. I already watched all my friends unbox theirs, so I kind of peeked already, but let's just get into it. So first things first, in here we have the FabFitFun Spring Magazine. This little magazine lets you know what is good, what's in the box, a little backstory of everything. As always, we have a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, which I am definitely going to be using. Presentation goals as always. So the first thing that I'm really excited about in here is this Sip by Swell insulated water bottle. Actually, I already have a Swell bottle, but this one is super cute, way cuter than my old one, so I'm definitely going to have to upgrade her to this lovely little mint one over here with the triangles on it. These bottles are actually incredible, and I'm pretty sure they retail for like 50 bucks. They keep your water so cold. I wasn't convinced until I started using mine back when I worked a restaurant job, and I would fill it up at the beginning of my shift and my water would be cold like 8 hours later. So some sort of sorcery in these bottles, but they are an amazing thing to get and like a really nice gift to get for yourself or for someone else. This product is also super exciting. It is a full size of the Way Leave-In Spray Conditioner. It's got all the seal on here, so I'm not gonna open it up right now. I have used this product before. My friend Rachel brought it to LA with her, and it was just such a nice product, something easy. I like spraying conditioners because you can kind of add them to your hair at any point. You don't need to be in the shower to use them, so the Way is such a bougie brand. I will take a gift from them on any given day. Moving on into some fitness. Well, I guess the water bottle is kind of fitness, but something else that I'm super excited about is this 11 by Venus jump rope. And some of you might be like, why would you get excited about a jump rope, Sarah? And the reason is jumping rope is such a good little cardio boost exercise if you're just like working at home like I do and you don't want to be a potato the whole day. It's a good way to like get off your butt for, you know, whatever, 2, 3, 5 minutes, half an hour. Jumping rope is super easy. All it requires is literally a rope, so no excuses. I haven't jumped rope in a really long time, but I am really excited about this. Next up, I see 2 beauty products in here, kind of like skincare wellness. We have one by Porous, which I've used before, love their brand. It is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. So this is to be used at night as an overnight mask. I'm very into these types of products because you don't need to worry about like messy application or removal. Generally, they're just gonna seep into your skin and make your skin feel 10 times better by the time you wake up. So that's the kind of solution that I like. Very efficient and very low maintenance. So this bougie overnight mask retails itself for $48. So if you're using that discount code, you're getting this and everything else pretty much for free. Has a really nice subtle rose scent, so I'm very excited to start using this. The Way Leave-In Conditioner is something that everyone's gonna get in their box, so you don't need to worry about that, along with the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. Needles no more. And Dr. Brandt, again, is a super bougie brand that they sell at Sephora, and I'm very excited to try this out because I'm all about the skincare, high quality. This stuff is $42 on its own, so getting it in here is a super nice bonus because this is honestly something I probably wouldn't have thought to buy on my own, but now we're gonna get to try it out, and hopefully it works wonders. The next product that everyone's gonna receive in their box is the Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub, and this smells really, really nice. It's very sweet, kind of giving me Fuzzy Peaches vibes, and it's this really, really interesting like gray color with like a chunky texture. I know that probably doesn't sound appealing, but for a body scrub, it looks very, very good. And I'm excited to try this one. It retails for $24 regularly. So that is it for the products that everyone is guaranteed to get into their box. Now into some other things that I received. In my box, I got the Levito body lotion, and this is in the mandarin orange and bergamot scent. It's really, really fresh, perfect for spring. It's important to stay hydrated now that we're gonna be, you know, showing legs, showing feet maybe more often. This seems like a really nice, thick, but like blendable, fresh smelling scent, which I'm all about for the spring and the summer. That guy retails for $19. And then lastly, saving another really good item for last, this is the Show Me Your Muumuu super cute floral robe. So this is it wrapped up. You guys will see it on me. I honestly thought that this was gonna be a different texture. It's like this super, super soft, like jersey kind of knit t-shirt material, which I think is really nice. So it's definitely like a lounging around, getting ready type of robe. And yeah, honestly, if you're going away on vacation, this is super cute to pack because it's not that chunky. Or, you know, just if you want to have a bougie day at home with all your bougie new products that you could have gotten for only $40. So very excited about this. It's pink. I love it. And yeah, that is all that is in the box. Honestly, so many amazing good things for spring. I'm so excited to start using them all. So anyways, guys, don't forget to use my code DUNK to get $10 off your first box, and let me know what your guys' favorite item in the box was, and if you are already signed up for FabFitFun, if you got your box yet, what did you get? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys all very soon for another video. Mwah!